Hello, welcome to the RANsquawk US morning briefing for today, 19th of October. European equities opening to the upside today are buoyed by the oil and gas sector after WTI crude touched on $79 a barrel, marking a fresh 2009 high. Mining companies also performed well after a rise in commodity prices following a move to the downside in the dollar index. Further to that, consumer goods and basic materials sectors also showed strength in the European morning. Fixed income T-notes ticked lower in part due to the upside momentum in equities, but also because of an overnight Barron's article that implied the Fed should be beginning tightening now that the economy is on the recovery track. However, into the US Treasury pit open, T-notes did pair some of the day's losses as equities drifted off their best levels, and after NY Fed said there should be no inference about timing of policy tightening drawn from the reverse repo test that the Fed is currently undertaking. On the FX front, sterling has continued to come under pressure today following BOE's opposing comment in the Sunday Times over the weekend that he is willing to back an increase in the QE program, and also further to that, Ernst & Young's Item Club report that sterling may reach parity against the euro. Further to that, the Aussie dollar has advanced against the majority of its major pairs today following comments out of the Reserve Bank of Australia official who signalled a move to more normal borrowing costs. In terms of US equity specific news today, Chevron has made a significant gas discovery off the coast of West Australia, according to the company's chief executive. BB&T reported earnings today with a 1 penny miss on the EPS, and as such their shares are trading lower today. Elsewhere, Mexico's Supreme Court is this week set to probe a case that could potentially force Citigroup to sell its profitable and highly prized Mexican subsidiary for Lockheed Martin. The company has been awarded an $827 million contract, which will provide for the advanced procurement funding for the US Air Force, and Sprint Nextel is to acquire IPCS for $831 million. And finally, CME Group is in talks to take over the Chicago Board Options Exchange in a deal that could value the largest US options market as up to $5 billion, according to Crane's Chicago Business. In terms of notable broker news today, Caterpillar has been started with outperform rating at RBC, Pfizer reinstated an overrate rating at Barclays, American Express has been upgraded to market perform from underperform at FBR Capital, and GE price targets were raised to $20 from $19 at Morgan Stanley, with rating overweight on the stock. So just looking ahead, we'll be looking out for comments out of Fed Chairman Bernanke at 4 p.m. London time or 10 a.m. Chicago time. Then later the release of NAHB housing market index data, as well as aftermarket earnings from tech heavyweight Apple and also Boston Scientific and Texas Instruments.